sorry, chef. My bad. I shouldn't have. Sorry. Yeah, understood. I won't rush you. Sorry.
What is that noise? Are you kidding me? It's 2 in the morning.
See right here? This is why I'm fat. He cooks better than I do. You see? He even agrees with me.
Hey, you little thief. I guess it's yours now.
Flick the wrist, not the shoulder. Yeah, like this. Quick. That's it. Keep the noodles moving. Don't let them stick.